So many air conditioning companies, not all, but a lot of them have a CRM, something that's like a database that has their current clients, their past clients, and they just kind of sit on some old computer in the reception. Maybe it's Windows 95, it's such an old machine. But operators need to be messaging these people and reaching out to them, especially the ones who, let's say, they stopped service a year ago and they haven't been back since. If you just set up a tool, a software that finds the people that are a year since you've seen them, and you say, hey, it's winter season. We want to do your seasonal service just to get you back in our world. We're going to give you a $50 service. That's pretty much at cost. You're losing money by doing that service, right? But you're taking them away from the hands of someone else when they need a repair, however small or however big. And then you can keep them in your realm, in your book of business, doing contract work, servicing work until they need that big repair or they need an install. Because operators know that you don't make money on service, you make money on an install, right? So let's say you have 100 clients in that bucket, you haven't seen them in a year. You send that note, that seasonal offer. How many of those 100 need a repair? How many of those 100 need an install in the next 3 months?